At AMB, Beckhoff demonstrated the benefits of digitized network production on the basis of PC-based automation, with which the productivity of a machine tool can be significantly increased. Beckhoff offers numerous highlights for machine tools, from the purely software all-in-one CNC solution to high-performance industrial PCs, customer-specific control panels, dynamic drive technology, and system-integrated image processing.
Beckhoff integriert mit TwinCat Vision.
With TwinCat Vision, Beckhoff integrates image processing directly into the TwinCat CNC. GigE Vision camera systems are integrated directly into the control system via real-time drivers. Control functions can thus be synchronized and processed directly in the controller on the basis of the image processing results, such as axis movements due to measurement and detection functions. The engineering of the image processing takes place directly in the PLC with the familiar programming tools. This achieves a system solution with maximum integration and top performance of CNC and Vision.
Und beste Performance von CNC und Vision.
Thanks to the direct IoT and cloud link, the way from the data acquisition in the field and communication through to historization and analysis is simple to implement with TwinCat.
Beckhoff
offers the complete process chain for this, from the signal acquisition to the processing in the cloud. Sensor signals can be transmitted to the controller with the most diverse methods, accuracy and quality via the different fieldbus systems in the Beckhoff I/O system. TwinCat IoT provides a series of control functions for data collection and communication with cloud systems over standard protocols. Integration into existing control configurations and IT infrastructures is thus universally possible. With TwinCat Analytics, Beckhoff offers powerful functions for monitoring and analysis, from the machine to the cloud, from a single source.